So I know most of the times you have used these transport providers like Uber. For Kenya, we have Bolt. And so what you have discovered, if you are keen enough, I think you have seen that most of the times these motorbikes and these and these vehicles, they are electric. So you'll find the mobile, you call them the e-bikes and also the electric vehicles, you see. And so, and these the e-bikes and electric vehicles, they use motors, and also they use motors, batteries. I think even there are some magnets inside the motor, yes. And so where do they get these parts? Anytime they want the parts, they get it from China. China is the provider, because even if you see companies like Tesla, I think batteries, China provide them with batteries. I don't know with what, but China is the biggest supplier of we call them the green energy. Yeah, I think they participate, or they have a bigger role in the green energy thing. You see, so where does China get the raw materials? They get the raw materials mainly from Africa, and specifically Tanzania, and even I think DRC. I don't know, but the one today I was seeing is the one for Tanzania. The ones for Tanzania. I think the raw rare earth material is called uh, neodymium, yeah, something of that sort. So you'll find that Tanzania by itself cannot, Tanzania can extract, yes, then they sell to China at a cheaper price, because processing these things is very, very, very expensive. So when they sell to China, when they sell to China the raw materials at a cheaper price, Chinese go process them, then they sell to us at a higher price, you see. But you see, if we come together, we join hands, Kenya, Tanzania, maybe I don't know, even in Uganda, Tanzania can be extracting, then Kenya can be processing, or maybe Tanzania can be extracting and processing, then us will be manufacturing will be manufacturing, let's say, phones with it, and maybe the actual product. We can manufacture the actual product with these rare earth minerals. But you see, the issue why I think we have not achieved this is because, as per now, as we are talking, there is some underwater rivalry between Kenya and Tanzania, seeing who is better than the other. And you have seen the Kenyan president. He has been, for the past 3 months, he has gone to Tanzania. I think he's clearing some air there, because if he does that, it will help. Because sometimes when you find to import or export things to Tanzania, it's sometimes the process is a bit tedious, because I think we have not come into agreement like Uganda. Uganda, it's flawless. Yeah, Uganda, it's flawless. You can do anything easily. Yeah, but for Tanzania, I think there are some rules we have not come into agreement, but there are some agreements we did. I think the past month. I hope it's implemented, because it will help us doing the trade, because I think our biggest partner in trade now as Kenya is Tanzania and Uganda. You see, so let's say today we start processing these. Who will benefit? First, the prices of motorbikes will be low, and when the prices of motorbikes become low, it will be easy for us to travel from point A to point B, because fare will be cheap. You see, also, if these companies are in Kenya, you will find that people employed are Kenyan and maybe Tanzanians. So you'll see also citizens will have jobs. Yeah, so I think it's high time we join hands, then we see what we can do so that we can benefit from these rare earth minerals. Then people coming in and extracting it from Africa. Then after they have processed it in their countries, they sell it to us also at a higher price.